Now the image formation in the concave mirror, image formations. There are basically 6 image formation. Number 1, when the object is at infinity. This is a symbol of infinity. This is a mirror. This is principal axis. The object is kept at infinity. These are the incident ray from the infinity. After reflection, image is formed at focus. Image is formed at focus. How it is formed? Real, inverted and very small. Real, inverted and very small. Second, when the object is in between infinity and center of curvature. Here C is denoted as center of curvature. Means somewhere over here. If we consider the left part as infinity and if we consider this as a center of curvature, so object is kept between infinity and center of curvature. This is considered as pole. So this is an incident ray. After reflection, it will pass through focus, as we have already discussed. When the ray is passing through focus, after reflection, it will become parallel to the principal axis. So the image is formed. Image is formed between center of curvature and focus. Center of curvature and focus. Type of image, it is always real, inverted, but this time it is small, not very small, but it is small. So as we are approaching towards the pole, the size of the image is increasing. Size of the image is increasing. Now we will approach, in the third part, we will approach more towards the pole. That is the third image. When the object is at center of curvature. When the object is at center of curvature. This is center of curvature. When the object is at center of curvature, this is a principal axis, parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it will pass through focus, as we know. Second is passing through focus. But after reflection, it will become parallel to the principal axis. But where is the image formed? The image is formed at center of curvature itself. So this is where the object has came. At the same place the image is been formed. How the image has been formed? Real, inverted and equal in size. Fourth, more towards the pole. So when the object is in between center of curvature and focus, more towards the pole. it means somewhere over here between center of curvature and focus. After reflection, it will pass through focus. Second, it is passing through focus. After reflection, it will meet somewhere over here. So the image is in between center of curvature and infinity, because on the left hand side you will get infinity. So the image is in between center of curvature and infinity. How? Real, again inverted, but this time it is large. Larger than the object. The image will be larger than the object. Now in the fifth part, we will approach more towards the pole. It means when the object is at focus. When the object is at focus, it means somewhere over here at the focus. First of all, it will pass through focus itself after reflection. Second, because there is no points, so it will pass through a center of curvature, this ray. Now you will see both the rays will be parallel to each other. Both the rays are parallel to each other. When it is a parallel to each other, it means that the image will be at infinity. Infinity means real, inverted, but very large. Image will become large. So if you notice the things, the image started from very small to small, equal, large to very large. In all the cases, the real image has been formed, and all the real images are inverted in nature. One more thing you must have noticed. So first of all, when the object was at infinity, as the object is approaching near the pole, the image is going far away from the pole. This is object is at, first of all, the image has been formed at focus. Then it is formed between focus and center of curvature. Then it is formed at center of curvature. Then it is formed between center of curvature and infinity. And then finally it is formed at infinity. But you will see the object, as you will see the object is at infinity when it is coming closer between infinity and center of curvature, coming at center of curvature, between center of curvature and focus, then and focus. So as the object is coming near the pole, the image is going away from the pole. All the time the real image has been formed. Real image is always inverted, and the size depend upon the distance at which the object is being kept. As it is far away from the pole, the image is very small. As it is coming towards the pole, the image will become larger and larger. So as it is at the focus, object is at the focus, the image is at infinity. Now the sixth one, which is much more important. When the object is in between focus and pole, means somewhere over here. This is focus and this is pole. The ray at the top parallel to the principal axis. After principal means when the ray is parallel to the principal axis, it will pass through focus. Second, from the top it is passing through center of curvature. But you will notice that they are separating away. The two rays are separating away. So they will not be able to meet. Neither they will meet at infinity, neither they are parallel. But when they are produced back, they will meet at a point here, behind the mirror. So the image is behind the mirror. So in the sixth point, you will see that when the object is between focus and pole, the image is behind the mirror. And behind the mirror, it means it is virtual. Virtual image is always erect, and this image is large also. You will see that the object distance is this much. The image so formed is large. So these are the 6 different image formation. You keep noticing as we are approaching near, up till 5 parts, you will see as we are approaching near the pole, the image is going far away. But finally, if you will see the 6th one, when the object is between focus and pole, the image so formed will be behind, because they will not be able to meet at infinity. The 2 rays are separating away, so they will meet back behind the mirror. Behind the mirror, and the image will become virtual in nature. Virtual means it is always erect and it is large. Now we will move on to our convex lens. These are all concave. Now we will move on to convex.